Hi, my name is Mayan. I've been with the sliding door company for 15 years, and I'm the sales executive. And I'd love to show you around the showroom. Come with me. This is a new product. It's our bifold system.
Yeah.
Also, we have the pulley. We pull it open. It slides back,
Yeah.
and then that way you could get the entire opening available, and then take it, slide it closed. As you could hear, how smoothly it slides, the sound quality, extremely durable, lightweight, which is so important, and just very functional.
So this is the bifold door.
Yeah, this is our bifold system.
Does this come in different colored glass?
Yes, we have different, we have the smoked line, black glass, opaque milky glass, frosted translucent where it lets the natural light in. We have 6 different frame finishes to choose from. There's no price difference, which is really nice. We have the anodized aluminum. We have charcoal, black, wenge, walnut, and a white frame that you could choose from.